Hello, David and Mackenzie. This is Matt Harris with Sure Thing Home Inspections, your video summary for 6362 Aaron's Way in Flowery Branch. This is the front of 6362 Aaron's Way in Flowery Branch, Georgia. What I'm going to go over here will be the defective summary that was seen on the report. What we have here in this picture is the defective caulking between the cement board siding in multiple areas of the home. It's recommended to seal these expansion joints to prevent water from potentially intruding into the siding. As you can see here, there's a couple more of these areas on the right side of the home. At the rear of the house at the deck, there is a portion of damaged siding also that needs to be sealed. You can see the damage here at the bottom. Noted in two areas of the house, at the rear and the right, is damaged portions of trim with possible infestation, so it's recommended that a licensed pest control contractor looks at this area to deem if any further action is required, and then also to repair these portions of the damaged trim. And this is the portion at the other side of the house that was mentioned in the previous photo. At the bottom left corner of the chimney chase trim, there is a damaged portion of siding by the flashing, so it's recommended to repair or replace this portion of the wood trim. At the rear left corner of the home, you can see here where the gutter is separated from the fascia board. Recommend to secure that back to the fascia board properly to prevent water from getting behind the gutter and causing damage to the fascia. This is the patio or deck area door at the bottom. You can see where there's a little bit of wood rot, so need to make sure we repair this portion to prevent further rot and damage to the door itself. As mentioned to you at the inspection, the roof does have Atlas Chalet shingles present throughout the roof. This is a recalled brand of roofing shingle. Recommend to have this roof evaluated by a licensed contractor to determine the next steps and also to determine what the insurance ramifications of these types of shingles can be. This is a picture in the attic space. This is above the garage door. You can see the light coming through, which indicates there's a gap in the sheathing. We need to seal this to prevent any pests from potentially entering. There was no rodent activity in the attic space at the time of inspection. However, this still needs to be sealed. For your zoned HVAC system, this is in the basement. Anytime you have a zoned system, there is required to be a bypass damper, which is a duct that goes from your supply plenum to your return. The purpose of this is to equalize the pressure in the zoned unit. Recommend to have this evaluated by an HVAC contractor to determine the repairs needed. The next couple pictures would be of windows. There are a couple windows with discoloration that's caused from a broken thermal seal in the windows. It's noted in the front bedroom, the right rear bedroom, the bonus room, second floor, and the kitchen area. So it's recommended to have these windows repaired or replaced for energy efficiency reasons. In the kitchen, behind the electrical outlet cover, when the tile backsplash was installed, the proper electrical outlet spacers were not used. This exposes the terminals of the electrical wires outside of the electrical box. So it's recommended to purchase the outlet spacers and have those installed by a licensed electrician. And again, this is also in the kitchen area, another one of the windows that did have the discoloration. Again, recommend to repair or replace this window. And this is the picture of the bonus room window. Again, as we discussed, also has a broken thermal seal. I recommend to have this window repaired or replaced. In the basement area of the home, there was a small area of mold growth with our mold spray that reacts to the enzymes in live mold spores. You can see here where it has reacted. As explained at the inspection, there were several areas that were sprayed that did not react. However, there were a couple locations here on the main middle load-bearing wall, and also this is in the same area but on a different stud. You can see where the spray has reacted to the enzymes in the mold. And that was your video summary for 6364 Aaron's Way. Thank you, David and Mackenzie, for choosing Sure Thing Home Inspections. We truly value your business and hope you had a great experience with us and will recommend us to future customers. Thank you again and have a great day.